Hey guys, rain, sleet, or snow, it doesn't matter. We gotta take care of the deer and feed them and get them big for next year. So in North Carolina, it's the 15th or 16th, and we got a pretty big snowstorm, big for North Carolina. So we're gonna go out and I'm gonna show you how we feed the deer in our backyard and keep them healthy, and then we'll show you some videos. All right, first thing we do is we're gonna mix some corn, deer corn, and we don't do it all corn. This corn is not, just corn by itself is not healthy. I'm gonna try to show you this video. Really pouring on corn. Good bucket full of corn. And then what we do is we add Sportsman's 20. This is protein mix. You can't just feed deer all corn, especially the big ones, protein throughout the year. In the winter time to keep them going, so we're going to have the protein, maybe. And then the protein mix. There we go, we're adding it in. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do now. We're going to take it down to the feeder. Alright, we're going to take this corn mix that we got. You can see it is really nasty. Really coming down. We got the puppy. This is a North Carolina snowstorm, and I'm going to try not to bust my butt. The dogs love to feed corn to the deer. Here we go. I don't know if you can hear or not, but the sleet. Got about 2 acres in the backyard. We have a herd of deer. So I like to feed the deer. I spread it out. We got a feeder, obviously, that goes off once a day for about 10-12 seconds. And usually, North Carolina deer in the Piedmont area, they're not used to this. Maybe the mountain deer are, but not where we're at, a little south. So we're gonna supplement. And I put some out right here, but look, it's already covered up. I guess I'll get to it. And I got a little protein block right there that they're eating. I used to be one of those big blocks. We got a mock scrape right here that they're hitting, and hopefully we'll be able to, man, I about busted my ass. And we'll be able to get some sheds potentially if they start rubbing that. And then we got the deer camera right there to get some videos, which I'll attach to this. So hopefully this is good. We'll keep them fed the night while it's all nasty and rainy and sleety. And then I'll attach the videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.